Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, thank you for like and share. Thank you for everybody that review my channel, and thank you my guys. And this is 2 pillar. Guys, I have some leftover and I make good use of it. I keep joining them up till I come out with something. And this is a pillow guys, and this one is a pillow too guys. See this stuff in here? And guys, see what I did here guys? I make it put the zip to put my pillow in guys. When I close it up like this guys, see there guys, and I go into the machine now guys, like I